everyone, we're going to talk about radians, and in order to do that we need to talk about pi as well. So if you recall, when you have a circle and you have a diameter, so this diameter, let's just say the length is 1, so let's say our diameter is 1. That means when you take this diameter and swing it around this circle, you'll get 3 of them. 1, 2, 3, plus a little bit more. And that's your pi, which equals 3.14 ... and so forth. So basically, it comes from diameter. And if your circumference is pi times d, so in this case, if our d is 1, that's just pi. Because if you swing this diameter around, it goes around 3 times plus this little bit more right there. Now, when we talk about radians, what we do is we take the radius, so we're doing a half a circle here, and say this radius is 1, and that means for the radius to be half of that, that means this is going to swing around again pi times. So it goes about 3. I don't know how to divide this into threes, but alright, so say it goes, if you take the length of this 1, it'll go around 1, 2, 3, plus a little bit. So that would be pi. It's 3.14 ... So this little bit is this number right here. And that's where we come up with radians. So basically, when you're talking about radians, if this whole thing for a half a circle is pi, right? 3.14 ... then half of that would be pi over 2. That would be your 90 degrees. And then you can, subset this whole thing up. And half of pi over 2 would be pi over 4. Or you could divide this all by 6s. So if I do that, I'm going to have, I'll just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think this is right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So if you divide it up into 6s, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then you're just taking your pi and dividing it by 6. So you have pi over 6, and then we're going 2 pi over 6. This would be 3 pi over 6, 4 pi over 6, 5 pi over 6, and then 7 pi over 6. Wait, 3, 4, 5, 6 pi over 6. Why did I say 7? And then all you have to do is reduce. So this one right here would be pi over 3. If you reduce that, that would be pi over 2. This would be 2 pi over 3. This would still say 5 pi over 6. And then we're back down to pi, because we just divided this semicircle into 6. And again, you could actually finish up the circle and go around. Let me go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 5, I think. And go down and divide that part up by 6 and go all the way around here to go back to 2 pi. So top of the circle is pi. If you do the whole circle, that would be 2 pi. And that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.